Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Decathlon, a company absolutely crushing it in the sports retail space. They've got everything, and I mean at prices that seem almost too good to be true. So, how do they do it? What's the secret sauce behind Decathlon's massive success? Well, that's exactly what we're going to uncover today. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk vertical integration. Most companies outsource stuff, right? They'll design a product, then find someone else to manufacture it. Not Decathlon. They handle almost the entire process in-house. They've got their own design teams, factories, even their own brands. This gives them insane control over every step, from the initial product idea all the way to when it hits the shelves. That's a recipe for success right there. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. Decathlon is known for its incredibly competitive prices, and there's no magic trick here, just smart business. By cutting out middlemen and streamlining their supply chain, Decathlon keeps costs super low, and they pass those savings directly onto the customer. Decathlon's goal is to make sports accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. They believe everyone should have the opportunity to experience the joy of sports, and their pricing strategy reflects that. Walk into any Decathlon store and you'll be blown away by the sheer variety of products they offer. Seriously, they've got gear for pretty much every sport imaginable. From beginner-friendly equipment to high-performance gear for seasoned athletes, Decathlon caters to a massive range of customers. This something-for-everyone approach is genius for a few reasons. Whether you're a casual hiker or a hardcore cyclist, Decathlon has you covered. You might come in for a pair of running shoes but leave with a new tent and a kayak.
Decathlon understands that in today's digital age, customers want a seamless shopping experience across all channels. Their website and mobile app are incredibly user-friendly, allowing customers to browse products, check inventory, and make purchases with ease. Plus, they offer convenient services like click and collect, where you can order online and pick up your stuff in store. This omnichannel approach gives customers flexibility and control over how they shop. Whether you prefer the convenience of online shopping or the experience of visiting a physical store, Decathlon has you covered.
Decathlon isn't just content with dominating the European market. They've got their sights set on the entire globe. They're constantly expanding into new markets, opening stores in countries all over the world. Decathlon takes the time to understand the local market, adapt their product offerings, and tailor their approach to meet the specific needs of each region. This smart, strategic approach to global expansion has allowed them to achieve impressive growth and introduce the Decathlon brand to millions of new customers around the world.
Decathlon is all about fostering a love of sports, and that extends beyond the walls of their stores. They're deeply involved in community engagement, sponsoring local sports teams, organizing events, and supporting initiatives that promote healthy living. By actively engaging with local communities, Decathlon strengthens its brand image, builds loyalty, and creates a positive association with their products. It's a win-win for everyone involved.
Last but not least, let's talk about Decathlon's secret weapon, their employees. Decathlon understands that passionate, knowledgeable staff is crucial to their success. They encourage their employees to be sports enthusiasts themselves, to understand the products and to share their passion with customers. This creates a genuine, authentic shopping experience for customers and leads to a more motivated and engaged workforce. And there you have it. Decathlon's success isn't a fluke. It's the result of a well-crafted, multifaceted business strategy. From vertical integration and relentless innovation to their customer-centric approach and commitment to sustainability, Decathlon has mastered the art of retail. So next time you're in the market for some new sports gear, consider checking out your local Decathlon. Thanks for watching.